Welcome. In front of me I have KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2, and I'm gonna show you how to set up or set the custom watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. So the first thing we need to do is to open the Apex Move application on the phone that is paired with our watch. I forgot to mention that, but if you want to do this, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Apex Move app. And once the devices are paired together, open the Apex Move app, my bad, on the phone that is paired with your watch. Then tap on My, select your Tank T3 Ultra 2 from the list of devices. Here tap on Watch Face Store, and in the store you tap on this Customize category, and here it's barely visible, but maybe I can just adjust the screen brightness and you can see it then. Yeah, you have this like plus button. Because the screen brightness was a bit lower, you couldn't see it, but it is here. Actually, let me leave it at the almost max brightness so you can see it at least somehow. Tap on this plus button, and here we can customize our custom watch face, and you can select like pre-existing templates. Actually, let me lower the brightness a bit because it is too bright. Okay, so you can select templates if you want to, or you can tap on this camera icon, which basically allows you to take a photo or use the photos from your phone to put it on the watch face. Like I said before, the camera option, it basically opens the camera, you take a photo and use it as a watch face, and select photo allows you to pick it from your phone, from the basically folders with photos. I'm gonna use the second option. Open the collections and then downloads, and let's say I want this picture. I'm gonna tap done. Now we need to crop the image because the whole picture won't fit on a watch face, so we need to select the part of it. You can zoom in, zoom out, and move left and right. Okay. And here we have a preview, and you can also tap on control, and here you can change some layouts. So for example, clock can be at the bottom or top of the screen. You can change the or you can enter the text. So it's gonna appear under the clock, okay, which is very unique. I never seen that before on the custom watch faces. You can also change the font type. Okay, and size if you want to. Angle, okay, you can actually play with some settings here. Interesting. And also you can select the layout for the text. Okay, and once you're done, you can tap on save, and the watch face will be applied. Oh no, it will save the like your design of the watch face, and then you can tap on apply, my bad. And once you tap on apply, it will start applying. And here we have it. Our watch face was applied. And then we can close the app, of course. And that's how you set a custom watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.